Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So if you have a Galaxy S24 Ultra, so there's a good news that there's a new update rolling out that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, I will show you guys that how you guys can update it and what is the new update. Also, we'll talk about the OneUi 9 update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if we talk about the new update, so the new update is of July 5th, 2026, OneUi 8.5 based security patch level. For now, this update is live in Korea, and if you talk about the update size, so it is around 440 MBs in size. Thanks for Turnbots for sharing it on Twitter. To update it, you can simply go into the settings of your device, then check for the updates. From there, you will get to see this new update available. For now, it is available in Korea, and soon in the upcoming days, it will be available in your regions as well. I got this update on my other devices such as Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it was around 555 MBs in size. Also on the Galaxy Watch 7, I recently got this update as well. Further, if you want to update the apps as well, so you can go into the Galaxy Store app, and from here simply tap on this menu option over here, then tap on updates, and from here you will get to see multiple app updates available that you guys can update from here. Most of the apps are already having the OneUi 9 support, so if you are on beta version, so you can use that as well. But for now, there is no beta version available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you talk about the release date of the OneUi 9 update, so the official release of the OneUi 9 update will be on the July 22nd, along with the Z Fold and Flip 8 series. The first beta version was launched in August 2026 for the Galaxy S26 series. Also, it is expected to expand on the S24 as well. If you talk about the release date for the S24 series, so you can get to see this update after the Galaxy S26 series, and the Galaxy S26 is expected to get this update in the month of August or September. So most probably, according to the rumors, you might get to see this update in the end of August or in the month of September. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about this new update available for the Galaxy S24 series. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.